Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. TCS NQT 2027 is finally started and candidates are receiving updates from their college itself. In the video, I am sharing the step-by-step registration process and free aptitude and coding materials. Yes guys, you heard right, there is no paid courses, masterclass, any of the thing. 100% free resources we are sharing, and we will discuss about the apply for drive and application form. We are making videos on YouTube from last 5 years, and through our free preparation series, many of the candidates shortlisted for the final opportunity and they got offer in the company. 2 months ago, you can see we share the leaked syllabus pattern, we share the 20 days roadmap, coding question video, one shot numerical, after coding question, and after that reasoning one shot, verbal one shot, all India free mock test. So please join this WhatsApp group. This is the official TCS NQT 27 batch. You are from off campus, on campus, this group will definitely helpful for all of you. And these are the free resources I am sharing with all of you. I will show you, this is the actual coding question that is asked in TCS NQT examination. Total 65 page of this, and total all coding question with Python solution, C++ solution and Java solutions are there. Okay, so total up to 14 sessions are there and more than 28 questions will be in this. And one thing that I have to mention to all of you, that other parts are also there. TCS numerical ability 50 questions are there, 50 question series, verbal ability 50 question, aptitude like numerical ability 60 question, TCS cheat sheet. Cheat sheet is related to the formula, that is for the last time revision, that is very helpful for all of you. Okay, so first of all we will understand about the TCS campus placement. Eligibility is BTech 27 batch, deadline is 15th May 26. Kindly read the complete message before registering. Registration process is mentioned at the end. TCS offer 3 package: Ninja, UG, PG. UG means you are from BE BTech, PG means you are from ME MTech MCA. Digital and Prime plus bonuses are there. Previous year format of OAR aptitude, second is technical MCQs, section B is coding question. That is not like a technical MCQ, we can say that the aptitude part will be there. Okay, and aptitude part consists of numerical, verbal and reasoning, and advanced quant and advanced reasoning are there, and advanced coding questions are there. Everybody is eligible to apply, including student with existing offer. Ensure that details exactly match your government ID proof. Test may be conducted in multiple phases at different time. Additional document verification may be conducted for shortlisted candidates at a short notice. Student receiving the digital or prime offer will be considered under placed as a placement policy. It is related to your college. So the prime candidate mentioned successfully who solved both coding question and generally shortlisted for prime. Digital student with partial completion of coding section are student demonstrating strong performance in the technical MCQ sections are generally considered for Ninja. Most probably they mentioned technical MCQ. Let's hope for the best that they consider the previous year examination pattern that is mentioned by TCS team itself, while the OA determine the final compensation package across both assessment and interview stage. Okay, so registration process is, you have to go to next step, click register, select IT category. You have to register only in IT category, not in BPS. Okay, fill all the details and generate your reference CTDT ID. Keep this CTDT ID number handy. Keep apply for drive and apply using email reference ID. So there are two conditions. Okay, first is if you have already registered under TCS Next Step IT portal, suppose candidate registered in 23 year, 24 year or 25 year. So you have to log in using your previous details, and you have to click on apply for drive option to complete registration. If you are new user, choose IT category, proceed to fill all the details and mandatory to click apply for drive. And in the previous hiring of the 26 batch, that is a off campus mass hiring 2 months ago, the clearly mentioned the application form can be filled after test results are declared. And in some days you will see that this form will be disappeared from the TCS NQT portal, because this will only show after test results will be declared. So first of all, the registration process consists of, you have to go to next step. Already registered, so log in here. Otherwise click on register Aadhaar number. Okay, last 4 digit, date of birth, first name, middle name, Then move on to the details, education details of institute name, qualification, year of passing, and just register. When you register for opportunity, this type of message will be shown. Thank you for registering, this is your reference ID, please log in to registered account using CTDT ID and apply for drive. Okay, now the one thing, you will see the application form option and apply for drive. If your college mention that you have to fill the application form now, so you can fill or you can proceed with that, there is no problem at all. If the application form is not mentioned by college, only they mention apply for drive is like there, so you can mention. This is for the previous NQT that is posted 2 months ago. One thing that previously like in the past year hiring process, for applying for drive, the application form should be submitted mandatory. Okay, but this time there is no thing like disclaimer will be there, select the skills you wish to be evaluated. This is not related to exam, this is related to interview most probably. Select your preferred 3 test center, test center 1, 2 or 3, whatever it is mentioned on your apply for drive page. And after that you have successfully applied for TCS recruitment drive. We are pleased to inform that application for recruitment drive has been successfully. Your next step is to await further update. This is related to the complete process of TCS NQT. Soon I will come up with the special video in which I will share each and everything. This is related to the online aptitude test. This is coding sheet on Striver website. Okay, and this is a previous year playlist where it will very helpful for all of you, because you will definitely crack the exam in first attempt. Thanks for watching the video.